Hey guys, my name is Patience and welcome to Sew with Pepper. So on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you the step-by-step way on how I made this beautiful flower that I can use as a design to beautify your dress. So for the flower in front, I use a piece of paper to draw the type of flower I want. After which I place it on the fabric to cut out the design, and I use 6 for the flower, but I cut out 12 so I can use 6 for the turning of the flower. And after I was done cutting the flower, I went ahead to turn the rope and I ironed. And I also went ahead to iron gum stay on the flowers, each of the design, each of the shape. I went ahead to iron gum stay on it. Sew it round with the turning, and I ironed it also. As you can see, I sewed it round and I turned it and ironed it. So now we'll be moving forward to the gumming part. So I'm making use of, there's no light, so I'm making use of this candle gum. So yes, without light you can also make use of a candle gum. So I went ahead to melt the candle with the fire from the lighter, and I'm trying to create a shape in each of the flower by reducing the whiteness of the down part of the flower. If you don't want to do this, you can just, the shape that you're cutting, let the downside be smaller, just like the up part of the flower. So me, I wanted it to be like this, so that's why I cut my on wider than than the upper part of the flower. So I went ahead to do the same thing in all the shapes, and then I was done. So now we are now placing the flowers. So watch closely and see how I'm going to achieve that very design. So I will be taking each of the flower to place on the other with the help of the candle gum, because that's what's going to make it to stay. So I'll place it like this, as you can see, and I'll also melt again and place it round so that it can form that round shape. I'm going to also place it again, and I'll keep on doing it like this. And as you're placing it, try to control the shape so it can go round. You have to try to control it too and place it how it's going to be beautiful. So I'll just place, melt my candle and place. So now we've gotten the shape. We've gotten the shape now. So you regum some places again to make it stronger. So guys, I'm done with the placing of the shapes to form this very flower, but there's a hole in the middle, so I'll be using this flower to cover the hole. So I'll just use my candle gum now to gum that very flower to our shaped flower. So if you've watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button. It is totally free, so you can be notified when next I upload a video. And please give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below if you have any question. Now look how beautiful our flower is. So you can also use this flower for any other design, not just this dress.